Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency's Club Then vs. Now was a hit on Saturday night. The event featured the Captain Colin Hines and DJs Franco, who mixed and mastered music from the 80s and 90s. Roderick, who represented for the 2000s going forward. Zoomers were out in their numbers and added excitement to the virtual party experience. The Captain Colin Hines shared details on Saturday's frequency.
The concept, I think, went off well. It was pretty much staging 20 years versus 20 years. So it was the 1980 to 1999 and 2000 to current time, and I think it went off well. We didn't have enough time to explore and to present all the content.
Now, Jenny the Energizer Bunny was also happy to be a part of the frequency.
I am just so proud of the team. What a party. Look here, who would ever think that if it is you do then versus now, it could be so good?
Fame Frequency has become a must-watch for the party-goers since the COVID-19 pandemic has put a damper on entertainment events. Now, Kabaka Pyramid reggae artist has released his rendition of Papa Michigan and General Smiley's 1979 classic, Nice Up the Dance. The video released today sees Kabaka adding his style and infectious flow to the old school rhythm. Nice Up the Dance will be featured on producer Jeremy Harding's Dancehall Anthems compilation. The project is a collection of new recordings of classic reggae and dancehall songs. Dancehall Anthems features Kabaka Pyramid, Sean Paul, Beenie Man, Agent Sasco, and Wayne Marshall, among others, taking on some classic material from Yellowman, Michigan and Smiley, Ken Booth, along with other legendary reggae musicians. E-Prime would like to retract a statement made in yesterday's program that cricketer Chris Gayle was in attendance at Usain Bolt's birthday celebrations. Chris's management team has confirmed that he was not in attendance at the event. We would like to send our sincere apologies to Mr. Gayle and his team for the error made. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.